Good afternoon, class. Again, surprising, it's me, Mr. Castrojon. But the only thing that I wanted to share overall at the end of the class was going over the whole lesson plan. And although my group, as well as myself included, we did make mistakes on the way we structured it and worded certain like the scripts of how our lesson plan was going to go. But the only thing that I kind of took away from the course was it was kind of hard to like write a full lesson plan, especially having to implement the 5 E's when we only got two of the E's graded and got feedback for it. They were helpful feedback, and we attempted to fix the errors that we made, but clearly, like throughout the lesson plan, since we only got evaluation and elaboration feedback for explanation, exploration, and engagement, it seems like we were all over the place. And I just wish we would have been able to get feedback in time on those sections as well, because if we had to submit a full lesson plan, of course, those 3 E's weren't going to look the best since we didn't get anything revised on them if it was correct or not. And I'll hold myself to it because I know in class I did have conversations with the professor to where I was on track and seemed on track, but it was just kind of hard to remember conversations we had, especially weeks later when I'm talking over to my groups. Like, I kind of don't remember what I said. I don't remember the conversation we had. So I wish we had something to go back to and read the feedback for the other 3 E's that we didn't get anything graded for. But yeah, that is all I have to share.